right there, bud. Okay, so today is Amani's birthday. Today he turns 3. Unfortunately, mom had to go to Chicago for work. So I was thinking I need to do something, you know, special for him today, something that he can enjoy. So I was thinking, you know, I can take him to all the construction sites that we have in Kalamazoo right now, because he's really into construction cars right now. We got him a little set last night and he really loves it. He's actually outside playing. So I thought that would be cool, you know, do that, take him for a bike ride, go to the lake. I was sitting there and I was like, what if I pick up the kids and go to Chicago and surprise mom, and while we're up there we can go to the museum. So I think I'm gonna do it. Could be one problem that I get over there and I'm not able to get her, or that she already left when I get there. I'm ready, the kids are ready, I'm all packed. Mario, you ready? Ready, buddy? Yeah, let's get going. 2.5 hour drive. Just leaving Kalamazoo. Here we go. We're about an hour and a half in the trip. No crying yet. We did stop and get gas. I already know where my wife is at. She's at DePaul University in Chicago. So we're gonna go over there and find her. And we're off. We're about 30 minutes away. Ario fell asleep again. Hopefully he can hold 30 more minutes in. Alright, so we are in Chicago. Just texted her, had her call me. Trying to find out where she's at. Okay, so now I'm a little worried because it's 12:55. Hopefully she messages me or calls me soon. She said she'll be done at 1 and that's in 5 minutes. Okay, so I just talked to her. She sent me the address. They're gonna have lunch at the parking lot at Whole Foods. I found her. Where's it at? Sure. See mama? Come on, Cookie. Let's go see mama. Let's go find mama. Let's go find mama. Uh-oh. Hi. Hi.
Happy birthday, Amani.
Happy birthday. we are at the Nature Museum in Chicago. It's pretty nice. Gordis, he's choking over there or something. I'm trying to get a good shot here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amani. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so it's 9:30. We just got back home. It was a successful trip, I would say. The kids were a little tired on the way back, but we also decided to stop in St. Joe